Very good morning, dear smarts. This is 10th class mathematics, real numbers, exercise 1.4. The children already you have known about the properties of numbers. Properties of numbers, and now natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. And you must know the difference and the properties, qualities of those numbers compulsory in numbers family. Here, prove that the following are irrational. Prove that irrational. So 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. We prove 1 by root 2 irrational. 1 by root 2 is irrational. Already you know about root 2 is irrational, root 3 irrational, root 5 irrational. But you also know 1 by root 2 is an irrational. To prove, we assume that 1 by root 2 is a rational. To prove, we assume that on the contrary, we take first. So 1 by root 2 is a rational. Let us assume 1 by root 2 is rational. So you know about the rational. What is the form of rational? General form. Rational number general form is P by Q. PQ belongs at Q is not equal to 0. So if 1 by root is a rational number, that must be equal to 1 by root equal to P by Q, because rational number form is P by Q. So P by Q, PQ belongs Z, Q is not equal to 0. 1 by root equal. So if we cross multiplication, 2 root P equal to Q, root 2 equal to Q by P. Root 2 equal to Q by P. You know about root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is an irrational. But root 2 is an irrational. Irrational. It's a fact. It's a fact. Root 2 is an irrational. It's a fact. But what we say, root 2 equal to Q by P. Q by P rational. What the above equation says, irrational equal to rational. It's not possible. Irrational equal to rational. It's not possible. A man equal to woman. Is it possible? Not possible. A man is different to women. So root 2 equal to Q by P is not possible. Root 2 is a rational, but root 2 is an irrational. It's a fact. Therefore, it's contradiction. It's contradiction. It's contradiction. So 1 by root 2 is 1 1 by root 2 is an irrational. 1 by root 2 is irrational number. In this type of sums, we assume the given is rational. We prove it's not rational, then automatically it's an irrational. It's an irrational. Automatically it's an irrational. So confidentially, 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Same. Root 3 plus root 5. Root 3 plus set is an irrational. Irrational. Prove. So let us suppose root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Root 3 plus root 5 is rational number. Let us assume root 3 plus root 5 is rational. Therefore, root 3 plus root 5 equal to P by Q, because it is the general form of rational number. PQ belong Z, Q is not equal to 0. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now, root 3 plus root 5 whole square equal to P square by Q square. Next, root 3 plus root 5 whole square equal to, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square root 3 whole square plus root 5 whole square plus 2 root 5 3 into 5 equal to b square by q square. Okay, children, a plus b whole square in the form. Root 3 whole square 3, root 5 whole square 5 plus 2 root 15 equal to b square by q square. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 2 root 15 equal to p square by q square. 2 root 15 equal to p square by q square minus 8. Minus 8. Is there any difficult? Take q square LCM, p square minus 8 q square. P square minus 8 q square by q square. 2 root 15 equal to p square minus 8 q square by q square. Root 15 equal to p square minus 8 q square by 2 q square. Root 15 equal to p square minus 8 q square by 2 q square. That's root 15. Actually, we can write root 15 as root 3 into root 5. Root 2 is an irrational, root 5 is an irrational. Also root 5, root 15 is an irrational. But root 15 is here p square minus 8 q square by 2 q square. It is rational number. It is rational number. But here root 15 is irrational. Root 15 is irrational because root 15 we write root 3 into root 5. Root 2, root 3 irrational, root 5 irrational. So root 15 irrational. Here an irrational number is not equal to the rational number. An irrational number is not equal to the rational number. So children, here But root 15 is an irrational. Root 15 is an irrational number. An irrational number is not equal to the rational number. So, here p square minus 8q square by 2q square is a rational number. Rational number. Is it possible to an irrational number equal to the rational number? No, it is not possible to an irrational number equal to the rational number. So children, an irrational number is not equal to the rational number. An irrational is not equal to the rational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Root 3 plus root 5. Root 3. What is wrong? Let us suppose root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Our supposition is wrong. So, root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Irrational. So, confidentially. Six plus root 2. Next one, 6 plus root 2. Let us suppose that first, let us suppose that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. Is a rational. Six plus root is a rational number. Rational number. Therefore, if it is a rational number, 6 plus root 3 equal to p by q. Pq belongs z, q is not equal to 0. This is the general form of rational number. So, root 2 equal to p by q minus 6. Q LCM p minus 6q. Root 2 equal to p minus 6q. Root 2 equal to p minus 6q by q. But this contradicts the fact. But this is contradict fact. What is the fact? Root 2 equal to irrational. Fact, root 2 is an irrational. But p minus 6q by q is rational. And irrational is not equal to rational. Here, irrational root 2 equal to. Our assumption is wrong. What is wrong? Suppose that root 2 is 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. Is wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational number. Okay, children. So calm it down. Prove 3 plus 2 root 5 an irrational. Here also, let us suppose 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to P by Q. PQ belongs to Z, Q is not equal to 0. Here next, 2 root 5 equal to P by Q minus 3. Root 5 equal to 2 root 5 equal to take Q LCM P minus 3Q. Root 5 equal to P minus 3Q by 2Q. P minus 3Q by 2Q. Actually, P minus 3Q by 2Q it's a rational number, but root 5 is an irrational number. It's a fact. Root 5 is an irrational. Actually, this contradicts. Fact. Root 5 is an irrational number. Root 5 is an irrational number. Hence our assumption is wrong. Hence our assumption. What is assumption? 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational is wrong. Hence our assumption is wrong. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Irrational number. Okay, children, copy down. Already I told in this class 4 problems. Practice all these very well. These are very important. This type of problems may come into public examinations also as 4 marks, 2 marks. So practice well, children. If you have any doubts, post me. I will clarify in tomorrow's class. We will go tomorrow. The next exercise, logarithms. Logarithms, the most important topic. Don't miss. Keep practicing. Bye bye. Hare Krishna.